Bitcoin weekly update. I wanted to share my thoughts on Bitcoin. A lot of people are asking me where I think Bitcoin can go. So let's do a long-term analysis. These are weekly candles, and you can go watch my video. I said when Bitcoin breaks below this red line, which is 50 simple moving average on weekly chart, it gets really bad. And you can go and you can see my video. Since that time when I posted, I said Bitcoin really needs to hold here, and if it doesn't hold, it can go really bad. And so far we are down 22%. All right, so let's see where Bitcoin can go, and let's see based on previous data and analyze. Okay, so let's see what happens when Bitcoin breaks below these red and yellow lines. These are 50 moving average, 50 EMA and 50 SMA. So you can see what happens usually here. This time, this was December 2021. Bitcoin broke below that, went down 33%, and look what it did. It back tested this line, okay, before it going lower. So we are gonna get a back test of this 50 moving average, 50 EMA, 50 SMA, and before we go lower. So let's go and check again history before that. You can see here what happened. We broke down and then we again went up, back tested. You can see here what happened here. We broke down below 50 SMA, went down 26%, and then again back test these yellow and red lines. You can see time and time, we don't just go straight down, we do go and do a back test. You can see here what happened. This was in 2014. We broke down, we back tested this yellow line, which is 50 EMA, before we go lower. And you can continue, and you can see here as well, this was probably the last time. This was in 2011. Bitcoin broke down and then back tested before we went lower. So what I'm trying to tell you is, don't be surprised if we get a rally, and this could be a good time to get a rally because we are very close to a support here. You can see the support area. This starts somewhere from where we are right now. We're in this box. It goes right from around 86,000 to 74,000. We're right in this box. So I won't be surprised. I'm not saying Bitcoin going to all-time high, which is very unlikely this year. So what I'm expecting, a back test, which can happen at any point. In this box, the lower we go, the better the buy, but we are gonna get a rally, a backtest rally to test either these 50 EMA at 100K or 50 SMA at 1 or 2K. We're gonna get a backtest, and before we go lower to